Presenting LG's brightest OLED with one-wall design, the brand new LG OLED Evo G3 series. The ultra-thin display construction and specially designed wall bracket of the G3 series allows it to hang flush against the wall, and the minimalistic aesthetic of the TV turns your home into a modern art gallery. The LG OLED Evo panel has an extra layer of strong and emissive material that helps produce lush, brighter and crisper images that make you feel part of the scene. LG OLED's self-lit pixel technology illuminates each pixel independently. The dark areas of the scene are perfectly black and the picture has infinite contrast and unmatched depth. With LG's self-lit OLEDs, no backlight is necessary. This enhances the picture quality so that you can see even the most minute of details. The vivid beauty of LG OLED's self-lit pixels is enhanced with the Brightness Booster Max feature that uses light boosting algorithm and light control architecture to shine the images brighter, making the visuals look bolder with spectacular picture quality. Pixel dimming of LG OLEDs adjusts individual pixels to deliver the perfect contrast in the visuals, and the on-screen colors closely match those of the original image due to 100% color fidelity and color volumes of LG OLEDs. The powerful Alpha 9 AI processor 4K 6th generation intelligently processes various signal inputs, determines the performance of smart functions, and improves picture and sound quality. The two pillars of the processor are AI Picture Pro and AI Sound Pro. The AI Picture Pro guarantees outstanding lifelike image quality by enhancing people, objects, foreground and background effects in each scene. It provides viewers with a variety of color experiences by extending the color spectrum. The G3 series TV supports LG's new feature, the AI Picture Wizard. This feature asks you to pick your favorite images from the library, and AI Picture Wizard analyzes 85 million cases from 27 categories to set ideal sharpness, contrast and chroma for your TV screen. AI Sound Pro has taken the concept of immersive sound to a whole new level. With the A9 processor and virtual upmixing, the TV now converts 2-channel audio into 9.1.2 channel surround sound, making you feel like the sound is coming from above, around and behind you. The dynamic tone mapping feature optimizes each block of screen for vibrant, high-definition visuals. LG OLED is the world's first TV that brings the power of Dolby Cinema. It supports the powerful combination of Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos that adds extraordinary depth, bringing out subtle textures on the screen. Dolby Vision and Atmos is just an optimized picture and sound quality based on content and ambient lighting. Filmmaker mode preserves the original colors and frame rates to deliver a picture the filmmaker intended you to see. The G3 series packs in features and support to power up your gaming experience and is the ultimate TV for your gaming setup. LG continues to work with industry gaming leader NVIDIA to make LG OLED the only certified NVIDIA G-Sync compatible TV and supports AMD FreeSync Premium, allowing fast response times and smoother gaming even at high resolution. The Game Optimizer enables you to apply ideal settings for your game genre, and the gaming dashboard allows gamers to access all settings as a pop-up menu that hovers over the action while you play. With VRR, 0.1 millisecond response time and auto low latency mode, LG G3 series gives a flicker-free experience with no tearing and low input lag. It offers quick media switching and HDMI 2.1 features with 48 Gbps bandwidth. This gives you an edge over your opponents and allow fast-moving content with synchronized graphics to get you more wins. Now, amplify your gaming session with the LG G3 series. WebOS 23 allows you to set up your preferred way to view the hub that is revolved around you. Edit quick cards for an easy access to your apps and content. Set up My Profile to get tailored content recommendations. Overview of the team's next games and your notifications. all from one place dedicated to you. You can add up to 10 profiles on your home screen. The G3 series functions as your smart assistant, which takes convenience to a new level with support from Amazon Alexa built-in, Apple AirPlay 2, HomeKit and Matter. Mirror your content directly onto the TV, monitor connected appliances, and quickly check information with your voice. Enjoy your favorite content with the biggest streaming platforms directly on LG OLED TV. You can play Netflix, Disney Plus Hotstar, Prime Video, Apple TV Plus, and many more channels for limitless on-demand content. The new WOW interface turns entertainment up a notch. Enjoy diversified settings and different modes for the best sound experience. The ThinQ AI experience, a creative and intelligent way to control your TV and home appliances, is at the heart of the TV. It is voice activated and provides new opportunities for convenience and leisure. LG's Magic Remote enables a universal control of the TV. Just point, scroll and click, or give all the commands with your voice to enjoy all the functions of the TV. Enjoy your binge-watch sessions safely for longer periods without worrying about harming your eyes because the LG OLED TV uses low blue light, flicker and discomfort glare-free technology. Certified by iSafe and TUV Rheinland. Available in 195, 164 and 139 cm screen size, the TV stands out by its ultra-thin OLED EVO panel display and one-wall design, making it a perfect fit to enjoy your favorite content. Step into the world of OLED EVO entertainment and bring home the LG G3 series.